What's up, you guys? I'm Jason J. Epperson from Omaha, Nebraska, and I just want to say thanks. I appreciate you guys hanging up my art because it keeps me being able to do what I like to do, which is create as much art as I can for you guys. And, well, you know what? It sets the soul free kind of thing, so it is what it is. It's pretty groovy stuff. So, thank you. Good to know you. And if we haven't met, I hope we do in the future. All right? Let's keep it on and keep it on. Peace out. Enjoy the video.
After all the time, after you, did you see me with someone new? Hanging so high for your return, but the stillness is over. Had I seen it in your eyes? There'd have been no try after try. You're leaving and no goodbye. Had I just seen one in your eyes? Lost and lonely, could you tell? Things ain't what's out my way. Wish the best for you, wish the best for me, wish for infinity. If that ain't me, then give it up. Give it up. I can't 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 give it up.
Thank you, and please subscribe.